Hi everyone, this is Pan from RAUBAY. Today I'm excited to introduce our new tripod leveling base LB-01, designed to make your setup faster and more precise. This leveling base features a 3-axis design with a large center bubble and 2 horizontal levels. Its smooth micro adjustment system lets you fine-tune your shooting angle within a ±6 degrees with ease. The detachable magnetic bubble level allows you to check angles independently. The base supports both 3/8-inch and 1/4-inch mounts, making it compatible with various devices. You can pair it with a ball head for 360-degree panoramic shooting, a tripod extension arm for immersive content creation, or a smart digital telescope like C-Star for astronomical observation. No matter the setup or scene, this base helps you save time and achieve professional results faster. Built for speed, precision, and versatility, the RAUBAY leveling base LB-01 gets you ready to shoot anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.